Hey y'all, Randy coming back at you here, Carolina Picker, and today we're going to go see what I got, but this time I am not doing a speed run. I thought I had hit the record button on my camera, and apparently I did not, because when I got out and was ready to turn it off, I hit the record button again to turn it off, and it started recording, and I said, well, shoot. So what we're going to do is a little different format. I'm just going to show you what we were able to pick up. We went to the Goodwill retail shop this time to see what we could find. And so we're just going to go over that and take a look and see what all I got. So basically this is the haul here. Not a lot of items, but I feel like I got some pretty decent items. Each one of these I'll put the for sale comps up in the corner over here. A little bit different. Normally I'd put the sold comps, or try to put the sold comps, but this time I'm going to put what they're selling for, and I'll probably sell them for that or a little bit less. But first, let's start off here in the back. This here chair organizer, as you can see here, I paid $3.99 for it. And I want to say they're selling for somewhere around 16, 17 bucks. So that's a good find. This thing is still brand new in the box. And so it's, I guess it's sold at belt.com for 20. So that's pretty good. So we got that. And then my wife found this right here, a little piano. These are selling for, I want to say, about 16 bucks also. We paid $3 for it. And it's in fairly decent shape, and it makes noise, and you can set the different not descriptions, but the different settings up here to play it as well. I was able to get HP replacement toners. I got yellow, black, and magenta. Now the only issue is I made a little bit of a mistake. I didn't open these at the Goodwill. The magenta one down here is out of its packaging inside, so I can't, unfortunately, I don't know if it's the brand new one or if it's somebody replaced theirs and then put their replacement, which is empty, in here. So this one's going to be probably just thrown in for free. I did pay $5 a piece for these, so that's $15. These sell for $20 a piece on eBay. So I figured what I would do is I would just do all three together, because these two right here are brand new. They're still in the package, never been opened or anything. So I know they're brand new. It's this one here I'm questioning, and if I question something, I don't like to sell it as brand new because I just want to be as honest with people as I can. So I will list these probably together, all three together, and all three probably for like $40, or I may drop it down to like $38, something like that, plus shipping. I found this right here, which is really cool. Now, I couldn't find any of these, anything like this at all for sale on eBay. Nothing at all. And it appears to be never used. I don't think it ever has been used, to be honest. I opened it up and looked at it. I don't think it's ever been used. Paid $1.99 for it. I thought it was pretty nifty. I thought for $1.99 it'd be worth it. Probably list it for maybe, I don't know, 12 bucks and see what happens, or 14 bucks and see what happens. I did find other 12-volt coffee makers on eBay. They sell in the $19 to $20 range, but I thought maybe I'd list this one for about 12 bucks and see what happens. I was able to get these two remotes here. Paid $2 a piece for them. As you can see there, $2 a piece. And they are brand new with the instruction manual on them. You know, when I've seen these, I seen that logo right there, and that looks like a Time Warner logo, and sure enough, it is Spectrum, Time Warner, whatever you want to call it, remotes. I think I found these selling for, I don't know, I put the comps up here in the corner, but I think I seen them selling for 12 bucks maybe. So I paid $2 for them, so I think I'll put them on there for $10 a piece, see what happens. I found this game here, Operation Game. It is not the Smoking Doctor one, which actually fetches a really, really good price. This is a different version of it, or a different box of it. The one thing I should have done was open it again like I should have opened these. I should have opened this, and because it is missing one card and it's missing all the money. But I still think, because I see them selling online just the parts, like just the pieces that go in them, or some people have taken the light out and they're selling it online or whatever. I see those selling for $10 and $11 and $12. So maybe I can still get 10 bucks out of it. I paid $2.99. So I'm hoping that even though it's missing all the money and one of the cards, it has all the little pieces. And it does work. I tested it. It does work. So I'm hoping I can get, I probably listed at 12 and then go from there. Then I was also able to get this Egglets. These are selling for $16 on there. I paid $2.99 for it. It's brand new in the package, so I will probably list it at the same price, $16, and go from there. I was able to get a West Bend tin cup Carfé maker. It's brand new, still in its packaging. I paid $3.99 for it. These are always good sellers. You can always get 15 to 20 bucks out of them, depending on which one it is. I want to say these right here were selling for around 15, but if you'll look right up here in this corner, you'll see what they are selling for, because I'll put a picture of one up there. Actually, you know what? I could not find one just like this one. So I think what I did was I put something similar to it, and that's what's showing up right up here, is something similar to it. I was able to find these. These are bladder control pads. I found 2 packages of them. I paid $1.99 for them. They're selling somewhere in the, I want to say 2 pair is what I found. And I want to say it was $14 or $10, $14, something like that. So not a lot of profit in these, but hey, every dollar adds up, right? And then I got this right here, Sony Dvd Player. Now the bad thing about it is it don't have the remote, which I knew it didn't. But so what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw in some cables with it. I have a lot of cables laying around, so I'm just going to throw in some cables with it. I did pay $10 for this. It's a little more than I really wanted to pay, but I went ahead and paid it anyway. And the reason is because my wife and I don't have a DVD player, believe it or not. We haven't had one for a long time. And so I told my wife, Tina, I said, well, worst case scenario, we don't sell it, and now we've got a DVD player. So, because it does work, I've already tested it. I'm going to list it at probably 20 bucks plus shipping, and just see what it'll bring in. And we'll just go from there, I guess. If worst case scenario, it don't sell, and I've got a DVD player. So that was the haul we got at the retail shop. And I feel pretty confident with it. There's a couple of mistakes I made, like not opening the operation game and not opening these right here, that I wished I had done. But, you know, it's neither here nor there, I guess. So that's our haul. And once again, I hope you enjoyed this video. We didn't have a speed run with it. Let me know in the comments if you like the speed runs. I'll continue doing those. If you think the speed runs are a waste of time and you'd rather just see what I got and how much it'll sell for, then I'll just go this route. We'll just do the videos like this one and not show the speed runs. So anyway, that being said, if you got some informative information out of this video, please hit the like button below. Be sure to subscribe and click that little bell. We're trying to grow our channel here. And I post videos every Thursday night and Saturday night at 7 p.m. Eastern, and may start posting more in between those times as well. So that being said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you on the flip side.